Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Logitech G933 battery is probably one of the most important factors to consider when choosing a wireless gaming headset, impacting your overall gaming experience significantly. Its performance directly affects how long you can immerse yourself in your favorite games without interruption, and understanding its lifespan and charging habits is key to maximizing your enjoyment and minimizing frustration. This video will delve into everything you need to know about the Logitech G933's battery, from its expected lifespan and charging times to troubleshooting common battery issues and exploring potential replacement options. Number 5. Logitech G Wireless Headset Battery. Experience uninterrupted gaming sessions with this high-capacity replacement battery. It's designed to keep you powered up for hours. This battery is specifically designed for your Logitech G933, G533, G935, G933S, and G533S wireless gaming headsets. Enjoy a seamless replacement. It includes multiple safety features such as overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, ensuring safe and reliable use. It's built with high-quality components, including a large-capacity A+ lithium battery and a Japanese Seiko IC protection board, for long-lasting performance. Installation is simple. Just match the colors of the wires to ensure correct polarity. If your headset has a different connector, you can easily adapt it. We stand behind our product. If you experience any quality issues within 1 year, contact us for a replacement. What we like. This battery boasts impressive compatibility with various Logitech headset models. It also offers reliable performance and long-lasting power for extended gaming sessions. If you need a safe and dependable replacement that works across multiple devices, this is the one for you. What people say. The original battery for my G935 had degraded to the point that it hold charge for a single hour of use. With this new battery, I'm back to about 7 hours of usage with a single charge. Listing capacity is accurate. Capacity test at 2200 mAh. Que perfectamente en el alojamiento y la batería dura el doble o más de tiempo para Logitech G933. Number 4. Logitech G933 Battery. This is the official replacement battery for your Logitech G933 headset. It's designed to give you hours of uninterrupted gaming. Enjoy extended playtime with this high-capacity lithium-ion battery. Say goodbye to constantly charging your headset. It's simple to install, just follow the instructions and you'll be back in the game in minutes. No special tools are needed. This is an authentic Logitech battery, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with your G933 headset. It's built to last. Get back in the game with this reliable power source. It's the perfect solution for keeping your headset charged and ready to go. It's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and reliability. Experience the difference of an official Logitech battery. What we like. It's the original battery, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your Logitech headset. You get the peace of mind that comes with a genuine Logitech product, designed specifically for your device. If you value authenticity and top-tier quality, this is your best bet. What people say. If you buy this, the battery pack will clip into place. This one gives me about 11 hours of use. After getting this new battery, I can tell my headset is lasting much longer. It's super easy to switch out, and a lot cheaper than buying a brand new headset. Number 3. Logitech Headset Battery 2500 mAh. Experience extended playtime with this high-capacity battery. It's designed to keep your headset powered up for hours. Enjoy significantly longer use compared to the original battery. It's a 2500 mAh, 3.7V power pack. This battery incorporates a strict protection circuit design. Rigorous testing ensures compatibility and safety. It's designed for seamless compatibility with your Logitech G533, G933, G533S, G933S, and G935 headsets. Keep your headset performing like new. Enjoy extended use without worrying about running out of power. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 2-year warranty with responsive customer support. What we like. This battery offers a significant capacity upgrade, providing noticeably longer playtime compared to the original. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions without worrying about running out of power. With an extended warranty, you're covered for any issues that may arise. If you prioritize extended battery life and peace of mind, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This has drastically increased the battery life of my headset. I went from just barely getting 6 hours out of it, to being able to go 18 hours without charge. I don't see anywhere in the title or description that says it fits the Logitech G935, but I took a gamble on it, and I can happily say that this battery will fit the Logitech G935 and more than doubled the battery life. Wonderful upgrade for any headset it fits. This battery slots into the G933 snugly and almost doesn't move around. A little bit of double-sided tape on the back makes it rock solid. The battery is lasting me an entire 16 hours of use on my days off. Number 2. Logitech G933 Battery Replacement. This is the perfect replacement battery for your Logitech G533 or G933 headset. It's a 1200 mAh polymer battery, providing long-lasting power for your gaming sessions. It boasts a 1200 mAh capacity and 3.7 V voltage, ensuring extended playtime. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming without worrying about low battery. With dimensions of 58.68 by 38.44 by 8.30 mm, it's precisely designed to fit your headset perfectly. It's a seamless and easy replacement. This battery provides hours of uninterrupted gaming. Say goodbye to frustrating power interruptions during crucial moments. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 1-month free replacement or full refund if you encounter any issues. Replacing your old battery is quick and simple. Get back to gaming in minutes. What we like. This budget-friendly option provides a simple and effective replacement for your worn-out battery. It's easy to install and gets you back in the game quickly. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable, no-frills replacement, this is an excellent option. What people say. Great replacement battery. I see complaints and reviews regarding the size of the battery on here. Yes, the battery is smaller than the OEM for the Logitech G933, but it can easily be fixed with sticky tape behind it. Took care of the issue I was having when the battery lost about 80% of the charge when I unplugged my G933s. Holds a good charge on par with a Logitech original. Number 1. AIYIYA Women's Summer Dress. This stylish dress is perfect for those warm summer days. It's comfortable, flattering, and easy to wear. Its casual design makes it ideal for everyday wear, while the bodycon style adds a touch of elegance. You'll feel confident and comfortable all day long. The ruched tie waist and side drawstring allow for a customizable fit. It's a truly versatile piece that can be dressed up or down. Whether you're going out for a night on the town or just running errands, this dress is the perfect choice. It's suitable for various occasions. Made from soft and breathable fabric, it's comfortable to wear all day long. Enjoy the perfect blend of style and comfort. What we like. This battery is certified to meet high-quality standards, ensuring safety and reliability. It's designed for easy installation and comes with a great after-sales service. If you want a hassle-free replacement with top-notch support, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.